if you want to request a refund on whatnot, so what you're going to do, firstly go to whatnot, log into your account. So once you've logged into your account, what you can do, go to your activity, which is on your top right there, click on the activity option. So click on the activity option, and here under purchases you will see all your purchases. So choose the order that you want to refund, and then tap or click get help with this purchase. Select that option, and then from there you can choose the option that matches your issue and describe the situation and any supporting evidence like photos or videos, and you can submit a request. And once you submit the request, so depending, your request will either go to the seller or whatnot support. So depends on the issue, depending on the issue and whether the seller can access the feature. Okay, so if your request goes to the seller, you'll receive updates in your inbox here. So this is your inbox on your top right there. You'll get your inbox there, and most issues can be resolved directly with the seller. Yeah, you can just chat with them, and then you can sort out your issue, including refund with them. But if your request goes to the whatnot support, then you will receive like like updates by email. The whatnot team will review the details and share the next steps to you. So based on that, they will provide details on how you want to, like, if you have to return the item, how to return the item, the returning process and everything. It all depends on on different scenarios and orders, so they will guide you with that, with your email. Okay, and basically that's how you initiate the request. It's a simple process.